Hello everyone, it's Dr. Boulos. Today I'm gonna explain how our spring special will be because we got so many questions. The idea was to focus on the skincare because when I'm injecting, I don't really have time to talk to you about your skin condition. I don't have any time to advise you which product you should use or which service you should use. For this, we have decided to do a 3 days skin clinic, which is gonna be right after Easter Monday. So Tuesday the 23rd, 4th, and 5th. During the 3 days, I'm gonna be standing here waiting for you to come. And with all your questions of which treatment you should have, of which product you should have, I'm ready to review all your product if you're using any. Even if it wasn't our product, I'm ready to go and read on those products and see if I can advise you of any better or advise you to continue. We're also having our skin care reps. They're gonna be standing here also. They're gonna give us very good specials. They have packages for Mother's Day. That's a good idea. Discount is gonna be up to 20% of the products. And the deals on the services will be amazing. So if you're thinking about doing any treatment for your face, any lasers, any facials, any peel, this is the right time that you can get me. And we're all gonna be here to help you to choose what is good for you. And it's good to start the summer when your skin is nice and clear and flawless. For this, we're gonna see you all on the 23rd, 24th, and the 25th in the skin clinic. So this is the skin clinic. Now we're gonna talk about injectables. In the past, we had some open houses where we have 1 day only, and this day people come and talk to me, and it's so busy, and we're having lineups. For this is the second time we're gonna do our injectables for this reduced price, but by appointment. We've done it in the fall and it was very successful. We had a chance to talk to you in person, to have you one-on-one, to make the time just to talk to you. So we're so excited to see you and hope the idea of having the skin clinic by itself is a big help for you to decide what you should have for your skin. And I will see you also for the injectables. The week start 29 for 2 weeks. Call us if you still have any more questions. 905-868-8000 is Dr. Boulos, Newmarket.